Hello friends, it is Ren and Kimono and Merry Christmas. Mr. Kimono is making a giant feast, so we had to take a break from movie time, which is how we celebrate Christmas. We watch a lot of old Christmas movies. But if you do celebrate, Merry Christmas. And if you are working, I did that for 11 years where I always had to work on Christmas Day. I feel ya. And if you don't celebrate and you're still all about couponing, well, this is a video for you today. So we're going to talk specifically about Christmas clearance at Walmart starting on December the 26th, which is Saturday. Lots of these beautiful kits will be 50% off, if not a little bit more. And we're going to talk about the mechanics, what you should look out for, and if you want to buy some of this stuff on the cheap, how to specifically do that. So that's going to be today's video. And I'm going to show you a lot of stuff and how to use Bic SKU to have the most amount of success. So this is the sort of sale that everybody and their mother shows up to. So it's Saturday, December the 26th. If you could head out a little earlier so you can just at least find a couple gift sets, that's probably in your benefit. And typically on the 26th, Walmart merchandise hits 50% off for these gift sets. So I would suggest going early in the morning, use the Walmart app to scan barcodes to make sure, or you could use that tower scanner to make sure they're ringing up 50% off. They will either be located at the front of the store, in the clearance section, or a regular section. And you're looking for kits that are specifically like this one that are like, 5 things in a box for 15 bucks. If you missed it, I made a video a couple days ago about a whole bunch of different stores and a clearance schedule that's loosely explained on typically how the dates have worked in the past. Some of these dates still have to be firmed up, but if you want to check out this video, I will link it at the very end. It's just a lot of very good information on clearance shopping. Now, Christmas is really expensive, and if you might have the Fetch Rewards app on your phone, check your points, see how many you have. You might want to get a Walmart gift card to use to pay for a lot of these goods. If you've never heard of this app, today is the day to sign up. Hey, it's Christmas Day, make it happen. Basically, if you have one receipt of anything you bought in the last week, it could be a pack of gum or an Egg McMuffin, doesn't have to be specific. Download the app, use my referral code, photograph it, and you're going to be given $2. Walmart gift cards start at $6. You'll get $5 for that. There's a little bit of a processing fee, but hey, it's something, and it goes right up to $25 or $50. And if you use my code again for new signups only, you're given 2,000 points, which is basically $2. Go over to the Discoveries page. Every week they seem to have freebies in the last couple of months. So this is a great app to save money. You're basically photographing receipts to earn points towards gift card, Walmart included. So if you have not signed up and you're sitting on 7,000 receipts from all of your Christmas shopping, download the app and photograph a bunch of receipts. You probably will have a Walmart gift card for tomorrow. Okay, so if you go to the site bricseek.com, I will also link this in the notes. It's just a website, and it's basically an inventory checker at selected stores. Not all stores, but Walmart is one of them. And when we have clearance merchandise such as after Christmas stuff, I mean, who doesn't want to look for it? So just to navigate and show you basically what I know and how to have a bit of success with it, you go to that site, and then just to show you the couple different features, right up here is your SKU Finder, and I'll show you that in a second. And then right over here, we have where the UPC or the SKU, you can type it in, and the SKU is right beside it. And then we have, there it is where that little arrow is. That's where you would type it in for either the UPC or the SKU. And then the zip code right there, wherever you're living, punch that in. And the bottom, the inventory checker, you would press that blue button. And then below it is where all of the information for the merchandise that you're looking for should pop. And the website bricseek.com, along with the items that we're looking for with all of the SKUs, I have them all typed out in the notes. Check it out. So if you just want to cut and paste and then go to the site, you can do that and try and see what your area may or may not have, just to give you an idea of what you want to do on Saturday. Okay, so a couple ground rules, or the Fight Club rules about Bic SKU. It's a third-party application to basically show you what the store may or may not have, and it's never 100%. Number 3, you can't use this as a reference point to go talk to management at the store and say, why isn't it here? Can't do that. And if you want to read more about this, just go to their site, and it's always popping this thing about the rules. But I know a lot of people will go to customer service and say, you know, blah, blah, blah. But this is just a reference point to look for inventory. That's what this site is all about. And hopefully that is crystal clear. Okay, guys, so if you go to the SKU Finder, what I just showed you a couple slides back, see at the top I just typed in Dove gift set. I don't have a number, but I know there's a lot of Dove at my store, and I'm like, hey, I wouldn't mind looking for some of that. So I just type that in search, and then see all those SKUs pop up. So you would just press on whichever one that might interest you, and that's how you can just do a very easy search. You don't need a number a mile long. You can just do this if you're lazy like me. So as you could see, I have my SKU punched in there. My zip code, I'm in Texas today. I thought I would go somewhere sunny. And then I would check the inventory. And this is what I'm looking for. It is a Dove 3-piece kiwi set. So there's 3 different little like scrubbies and all that good stuff. And then I would do the inventory check. So I would press that button, and then below it, the page would refresh, and then the prices and the stores within my area would pop and say, oh, we have some in sight here. We have some in sight there. And again, you might have to search around the store, but as you could see in Houston, Texas, at this one store, there's 6+ in stock. So there's a huge amount of it. Other stores, it's completely gone. Maybe the day before Christmas, they put some signage up, and then anybody who saw that, they were like, okay, I'll fill up 10 baskets and buy it all. For a price like this, for a product like Dove, I would buy a lot. But if it was like maybe $7, I would take a hard pass. But for $1 with a gift card, we're in business. Another product like this Burts Bees, as you see at the top, it says limited edition. And the coloring on that kind of looks like a Christmas ornament. So this is the sort of stuff that you will have to keep a watchful eye out and be like, is this part of it? Is this not part of it? Use your cell phone, open up the Walmart app, scan the barcode to see what it's ringing up for, or use one of those towers to check the price. But this guy is $10.99 for 4 chapsticks. That's a bit of money. But it's a Christmas one, so it's already 57% off in the system. And as you can see at a bunch of these stores, there's 6+, so they have a full complement of them. So where the makeup section is, where they have like Christmas lashes and all that stuff, and where they have the Burt's Bees display, sometimes they might just tuck a bunch of this on an end cap or a side cap. So look high and low for this stuff, because that's a pretty good price point. You're paying $1 and some change per lip balm, and it's Burt's Bees. Why not? Okay, so we're going to look at some razor kits now, and this is typically a product that everybody and their mother will buy, because they'll be like, oh my god, $4 for razors, they're just giving it away. Extreme couponers would get it for a lot less, but if this is maybe your favorite or something you wanted to stock up on, or you just wanted the decorative collective box, we never know, because Bic is your absolute favorite. This might be something for you. Gillette, Venus, and Dr. Teal's, those specific 3, Aveeno as well. I think it hasn't changed in their system yet, and it'll probably change early this evening, where those gift sets will start popping like crazy, because right now I'm getting a bunch of error messages on BrickSeek, but I think early this evening it'll start popping. Okay, so this Bic gift set that was $9.88 is now $4.94. So it's an even slash of 50% off. And as you can see, all the stores near Houston have a lot in stock. So also, if you live in a bigger city, your chances to find a lot more stuff is probably a lot great, because if you live in a rural store where there's only one Walmart, somebody might go in and clear everything, and that's happened to me many years. But as an extreme couponer, we practically always get paid for these razors. The men's alternative for this at $9.88. So you can augment however you want to look for it in that search, the SKU Finder, and just type in Bic gift set, and then boom, there you have it. And so this guy is the same price, but it's for the men. And look at the amount of razors. That's like 17 million. $23 value. That's a lot. Okay, so exactly 50% off. It's the same price as the ladies. So there you have that. These will also not stick around for 75% or 90%. Unless it's hidden somewhere in the store and you find it on a shelf in the shaving aisle and they didn't think to put it there. Usually the average shopper will buy this at 50% off. This is a newer product I've been seeing like show up at many Walmarts. It's this Dollar Shave Club, and they had a regular amount of like the Bic, the Venus, and all the other sets, but this one, for whatever reason, there was like an entire display with like probably a couple hundred of them. It was a huge amount, and I was like, what is this all about? Maybe it was the manufacturer trying to make a display that would entice shoppers because it was so unique. But this guy is $14.88. All these YouTubers too do reviews or brand deals with this Dollar Shave Club, and it's supposed to be quite fantastic. So I might actually buy one to try it out. But anyhow, the Dollar Shave Club is 66% off at $5. And as you can see, you get like a shave cream, the razor, and a whole bunch of blades. So that one already looks like a pretty good value. And I think it's supposed to be somewhat comparable to like Gillette. So I think later this evening, Gillette, Venus, those ones will probably pop. So definitely do a search. And if you find some stuff, let us know in the comments. Okay, so special shout out to a friend on Instagram. I hope she loves this. It's the Mr. Christmas pink ceramic Christmas tree. They have a whole host of colors, but whatever you can find, this tree is usually $25. So I just typed in Mr. Christmas ceramic tree and boom, this popped up. And then just a quick little search. 50% off right now in the system for $12.50. And most of this too, you have to do it in store. You can't order it online because the prices probably won't be the same, or they'll just might keep it for inventory. Okay guys, now let's talk about some food products. We have this beautiful Starbucks tumbler looking like a candy cane with a little bit of hot chocolate. How stinking cute is that? 73% off. $6.49. That's some value right there. And you get that cute cup as well. We have this set of teas. So it's some sort of a tin. If you love teas, this might be a deal for you. Like some of this stuff too, like we would never have a coupon for this tea set. And if you love tea and this is of a great value, obviously it's something to buy, you know. So as you can see here, we have the SKU, all that stuff, and then you would just press check inventory, and below it, it says gourmet tea collection, 120 pieces. So you know, boom, there it is. And it's 50% off at $6.99. So, you know, if this is something you really enjoy and you've been looking at it while you're doing your Ibotta shopping over at Walmart, might be something to grab. And then also these KCups, it's a butter cookie by Great Value, which is the Walmart brand. So, you know, if you really like K-Cups and this sort of coffee and you can drink Christmas coffee, I mean, it's the same, I think. It's maybe a bit flavored. This might be something to grab, and it's 65% off at $6.05. So typically a lot of times with food, they will reduce it down a little bit more or aggressively because they want it all gone, because they probably had quite a bit of it. And we have this peppermint bark ground coffee, 16 ounces. And it's down to $2.20. In other markets, if you look at that Houston store, it's $3.11. Maybe that will change over tonight or later. So if you have a little bit of time tonight, I would definitely poke around BrickSeek, type in some of these things I've been showing you, and you know how to use the site and make it happen. Now, alternatively, if these prices are just a bit too rich for you, when Walgreens or Rite Aid hits 75% off, that's when we can use our Walgreens Cash or bonus cash to get some of these gift sets, if that's your thing. I would absolutely use a gift card so you're not really feeling this out of pocket. And again, the Gillette, Venus, Dr. Teal's, I did a quick search this morning. A lot of the stuff I was finding, like gift sets from last year that already hit 90 that weren't in stock anywhere. So I think it's like old stock. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see tonight. And then tomorrow I would head out first thing at Walmart in store specifically to look for it. Some of the stuff I did look on Walmart.com and it's just not listed. So I think they're just out of stock online, and people really hit online shopping hard this Christmas season. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.